For Jew, old was new, except in the case of school notebooks. Except in this case of school notebooks, for him, old was new. Notebooks had to be new, okay, because one cannot write anything in a used one, right? So somebody has written in his notebook, how can you write? How can you bring that notebook? So you have to bring a new one. Otherwise, for Jew, okay, old was new. He was interested for the old. Okay. So Jew's mother somehow managed to get just enough notebooks for her classwork. Okay. So her mother got some new notebooks for class. You had to write in a very small letter so that the pages could not get used up too soon. Okay, so used up. Can you give me the pencil? So use up. Give me the pencil. So use up. Okay, use up means कौन? सही जी बात. हैं? से बहुत छोटो लेटर रे लिखुतला. हैला? For umbrella, textbooks, school bag, lunch box, geometry box, and pens were always old. Skirts, blouses, belts, okay, everything was old, right? Since she did not get any old footwear, if she would have got a old footwear, means shoes, then she could have managed. She went barefoot everywhere, but she could not get a old shoes, so she went barefoot, okay, everywhere. Understood? But her mother needed them because she had to walk a lot between the houses where she worked from early morning to late evening. But her mother needed them. Her mother needed some shoes because she had to walk a lot between the houses where she worked from early morning to late evening. She was a working lady. She was going to some houses to do some work. Understood? Jew's mother, right? Jew got her gift of old things every year. Okay? Jew got her gift of old things every year, just before school reopened. So, Jew got her gift of old things every year. So she got those things from somebody. Okay, from some friend. Just before school reopened. Her mother talked to the women of the houses she worked in. जो से काम करे था mother. And they were happy to pass on their children's books and clothes. Pass on means दे देवे. इधर मोर से पिंदुदिला ताको झियो से दे देवे को नहीं जा next ये जो तो झियो पिंदु. Right? They had all known Jew from the time she was a little baby. छोटो पिलर दो जानते हैं. And were pleased to see her growing up healthy and studying so well. Okay, she was studying also well. Ju's father, a tailor, lost his life in an accident. Ju had been a year old then. Gotte ବର୍ଷର ହେଇଥିଲା. Now she was going to be 13. Right? 13 ବର୍ଷର ହେଇଗଲା. You never thought of the gifts she received as being old. Okay? Never thought of the gifts she received. The gifts ସବୁ ସେ ପାଉଥିଲା ତା ମଦର ଆଣିକି ଦଉଥିଲା ସେ ଓଲ୍ଡ ବୋଲି ତାକୁ ଭାବୁନଥିଲା. Never thought. They were entering her life for the first time because for her it is past. Okay, for others it is old. For others it is old. And therefore they were brand new as far as she was concerned. As far as she was concerned means she jete duru jhala janichi. She felt as if she was making new friends. Okay? That was why she did not cross out the names of the original owners of the books. So she did not cross out. She was thinking them as a friend. Understood? Means suppose you are giving book to her, your name will be written on top. She was not crossing it out. Okay? She was not crossing it out. Names of the original owners of the books before writing her own name. Okay? One such book had a R.R. Manju written on it. लिखा है R.R. Manju. This year Manju was moving up to class 8. Understood? तामाने year कौन होगा? Class 7. Naturally, everyone called her Ju because that is what her mother called her. Everyone called her Ju because that is what her mother called her. Ju समझते डकते. She loved being called Ju. But because most people remembered it easily, Ju टा बहुत सहज है मने रखियो. Of course, there were problems with the old dresses. Old dresses गुड़ा हबो न हबो. Skirts were too tight or too long, and blouses were too large or too small. But Madhu, Ju's mother, Madhu ke Jurama would request Ollie, with whom Ju's father had worked. Ollie पाखरे आगुरु Ju father काम करथला. To alter them to fit Ju. से कहतला ताको के चेंज कर दे एटा. एटा टिके जदी ढिला आइ जाइतो टिके टाइट कर दे. To alter जानछो तो make changes. One day Ju was surprised when an old lady whom she knew stopped her in the street. Ju was surprised when an old lady whom she knew Ju को जानी थी, whom she knew, Ju जहाँ को जानी थी, stopped her in the street. ताको बाटे रखिला, calling out to her. ताको से चिल्लेला जोर रे डाकिला ताको. कौन? Lissy. The old lady had mistaken Ju for her granddaughter. Old lady भाविला एटा मो नातुनी. तेणु ताको डाकी देछि Lissy. Okay. When she found out, it was Ju, she embraced her and said happily. Embracement the kundhai pokela. Embraced her and said happily. Of course, my eyesight is not that what it used to be, आगुरु जहाँ थिला used to be, आउ नहीं मो आई साइड से नहीं. You are Madhu's daughter. You look so much like my granddaughter. ହେଲା ମୁଁ ପୁରା ନାତୁଣୀ ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି. Lissy, ତା granddaughter କିଏ? Lissy in that dress. Okay. You told her, grandmother, I am wearing Lissy's dress. You କହିଲା ଯେ ମୁଁ ପୁରା Lissyର dress ପିନ୍ଧିଛି. Oh, the old lady exclaimed and gazed at you. Gazed माने पूरा एंजो अनेकी रहला ହେଲା ताको अनेकी रहला आउ. Then she took those hands in hers माने ता निज हाथ रे. Horse माने एटे hand आउ लेखिनी. In hers माने ता निज हाथ रे ताको धइला and said, understood? God bless you. You are a beautiful girl. Okay. You asked her, grandmother, should I walk with you? You कहला मु तम संगे जाई परिबी. No, I am all right. Hela, she replied. Ye grandmother replied and slowly continued on her way. So, she ता बाटरे गला. On her way माने ता बाटरे. से ता बाटरे चलला. You stood there wondering why Lissy's grandmother had called her beautiful. से छिड़ाईगिरी भाबिला. ହେଲା why Lissy's grandmother had called her. काहे ताको डाकिला. कौन? Beautiful. Nobody had called her that before. आतो तो ताको एमती के कहि ना. You always found little keepsakes. Keepsakes माने something which brings to mind memories. Okay, you always found little keepsakes of the previous owners, slipping between the pages of the book her mother bought. So you always found little keepsakes of the previous owner. Keepsakes. Okay, ता माने something which brings to mind memory. Means सेटा जो माने ताकर से रखी थांती ता भीतर से जहाँ तो बही आनी थाए तार किसी मेमोरी या भीतर रखी थाए बही भीतर. Always found little keepsakes of previous owners slipping between the pages of the books her mother bought. तो स्लीपिंग माने ता भीतर थाए से पाए ना रखी न थाए से पाए. ऑलवेज फाउंड ना किसी जिनस पाए. देयर वेयर पिक्चर्स ऑफ फिल्म स्टार, ऑफ फुटबॉल एंड क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स, ऑफ सिंगर्स एंड ऑफ गॉड्स and goddesses, dried flowers, peacock feathers, peacock fur, sometimes a little poem and sometimes a prayer. ये सब जिनस तार तार रही जाता है. बुझगल. अच्छा. Once you found a butterfly pressed between the pages of her geography textbook. ସେଠି ପାଇଲା ଜଣଙ୍କର ବଟରଫ୍ଲାଏ ରଜରେ ରଖିଛି ହେଲା. ଡ୍ରାଏଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପୁରା ବଟରଫ୍ଲାଏଟା ଡ୍ରାଏ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ବେଟିଲ୍ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଛି ଟିକେ ଟିକେ. ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ? ବେଟିଲ୍ ମାନେ ଫ୍ରାଜାଇଲ୍, ବ୍ରେକେବୁଲ ମାନେ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଯିବ. यार मन है ये भांगी तो छुईदेव भांगी आउ ना एंड पिटिफुल है पिटिफुल कहीं कहला ना यहाँ एत गोटे 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 स्मॉल क्रिएचर टे आम रखीचे मरी जाए तो इट लुक्स पिटी है दया लगे some dust from its wings color okay some dust had rubbed off on the pages Huh? So some dust from its wings color. The wing color had rubbed off on the pages. Had rubbed off माने कौन से कलर गुड़ा बाहरी जाइए ऑफ कोटे बाहर की रही जाइए पेजेस ऑन द पेजेस बुझ तो it seemed like the last thing the butterfly had to give before holding them up forever. It seemed like the last thing the butterfly had to give. What the butterfly had to give? The color. Before holding them up forever. Acha, it seemed like the last thing the butterfly had to give before holding them up forever. Acha, it is कहना चाहूँगी it seemed like the last thing butterfly had to give it. माने ये जो कलर ये रहा सेटा ही से देइछि अच्छा before folding them up forever. Okay. Next, then there were postage stamps. Each stamp was like a mystery, speaking silently to her. Mystery जानते तो मैंने गोटे some unknown thing, right? Speaking silently to her. That mystery is telling something to her. Was telling. He had never received a letter in her life. Okay, he had watched the postman passing their home and dreamt about him stepping into their yard with a letter in his hand. से काटू केबे पाइछि he had never received a letter in her life. से केबे काटू पाइनि letter. She had watched खाली देखिछि हैला कौन देखिछि postman passing their home आगो घर देखिरि postman जाइछि and dreamt about माने भाबिछि हैला him stepping into their yard with a letter in his hand. Understood? से देखिछि आउ स्वप्न रे देखिछि कोन जे से ताकू ताको घर को आसी गोटे चिट्ठी देइछि एटा स्वप्न रे देखिछि सप्तर देखिछि ताको घर बाटे से पोस्टमैन जाइछि neither Jew nor her mother had ever written a letter से माने भी का को लेखिना okay neither she nor her mother had ever written. They had never bought an envelope केबे भी किणी ना envelope गोटे किणी किरी तादेरे पूरे किरी देना पोस्ट कार्ड भी किणना और स्टाम्प sometimes she found unused stamp बही भितरे unused stamps भी रहिथिबो जोडा किछि यूज हेला but you could not think of using them किंता को यूज करिया माने कोन काबा को गोटे पठेबो लेटर. As usual, before school reopened, her mother brought home books and dresses. Okay, her mother brought home books and dresses, right? Brought home, reopened, before school reopened, a वर्ष भी आनी थी. That night, Ju was taking a look at her new books. For her it is new, yes or no? When she came to the mathematics textbook, she was carried away. बुझिपारछ carried away माने से आउ गोटे कथा भाबिबा हैला carried away by it like a dog swimming downstream हैला. So dog was swimming downstream. Dog को मजा लगे आराम से पड़ेगा डाउनस्ट्रीम अपस्ट्रीम रे तुमको उठिया जोर कष्ट करिया पड़ो डाउनस्ट्रीम में पड़ेगा ये सेमती she was carried away. से आउ गोटे कोन कथा भाबिला कोन she loved mathematics. She enjoyed the endless magic of numbers as well as जेमोट्री आउ गोटे कथा नहीं तारी ऊपर भाविला मैथमेटिक्स एगुड़ा से भाविला कहा को कथा भाविला मैजिक ऑफ नंबर्स जेमोट्री अलजेब्रा दे प्लेड हाइड एंड सीक विथ हर सीता माने बॉयटा को पूरा खेल देला they played hide and seek with her they challenged her and encouraged her to escape into a world of numbers so she was a completely dissolved completely involved into a world of numbers understood खाली हाँ मारते ना कि बुझुच तो मधु was very proud of this progress at school तारे भलो स्टूडेंट टा मधु was also proud her mother was very proud तुम्हें भी पाठ पढ़ले तुम बापा माँ तुम प्राउड करी एबे हैला one day when she took Ju to Holly to alter the old dresses हैला के मधु मदर जेतेबेले नेला ताकू to one day when she took Ju to Holly to alter the old dresses they change करिया पे alter कहदेली understood she announced to him proudly कि mother announced mother कहला कौन कहला do you know Ju is entering high school this year understood हाँ कहला এটা 8th हे गला এটা हैला high school Ollie looked at her kindly then smiled and said of course and we will make sure that Ju has the best dresses for high school मु तो बढ़िया बन देवी आई विल मेक श्योर वी विल मेक श्योर यू आई ओके मदर को कहूँ यू आई विल मेक श्योर आम करवा भल when the other customers had gone and Madhu had opened the bundle of old clothes फिटेला सब गोटा देइचंती Ollie nodded his head vigorously and said हैला Ju is my friend's daughter and my friend was taken away by God. Let me give Ju a small present. हैला vigorously जोर रे हलेला तार हैला एनर्जेटिकली हलेला ता मुंडडा हले कहला Ju तो मोर सांगर झियो ना कारण ता पाखरे अली पाखरे ता फादर काम करथला तो Ju is my friend's daughter and my friend was taken away by God. भगवान मो फ्रेंड को नहीं जाइछन हो कि नहीं हैं लेट मी गिव Ju a small present ना मु गोटे Ju को गोटे भलो प्रेजेंट देबी भलो गिफ्ट देबी एटे प्रेजेंट माने कोन गिफ्ट he pulled out some colorful fabrics means in the cloth from shelf and they spread them on his table. Ju को कहला Ju select what you like. मैं तू जहाँ like को तो if your father had been alive, यदि तो father बंची थांते, you and your mother would not have a own कौन old clothes. ओन माने ओयार ओयार ओर ओन टा कुतरो थिला ओयार कुतरू ओयार ओर ओन तमे सेडा पिंदी न थांदो हैला Ju must wear new clothes to high school हैला ए बंडल ले जोडा आनी चलिबो मु ताको नुआ हैला he said Madhu burst into tears मधु कांदी पकेला हाँ मधु burst into tears मधु कांदी पकेला even as she smiled हैला हसी भी कांदी पकेला सेमी कांदी पकेला हैला माने काहे कांदिला कारण से नुआ जिंस पिंदी पाउन हैला Ju stood staring Ju देखि गिरी अने थाय staring at Ollie her mother and the fabrics in disbelief हैला at Ollie her mother and fabrics सब गुडा को देखि थाए हैला समस्त देखि गिरी इन disbelief से विश्वास करि परन हैला हैं She was so surprised and happy. ହେଲା से ता मदर कांदिला ये एमती कहला नुआ ड्रेस देखिला देखिकी ये कौन है ताको विश्वास है सी सरप्राइज सो सरप्राइज एंड हैप्पी दैट शी कुड डांस माने शी कुड डांस से डांस करिनी ताको इच्छा होतला डांस करी Ali's gift of new dresses came the day before school reopened. Okay, Ali's gift of new dresses. Ali's gift, Ali जोड़ा देला came the day before school reopened. ता पूर्व दिन से दे देला day before जानते तो दे देला मधु held each dress against Jew. मधु ताको धरिला सब गुड़ा each dress ताको देखिला होछ ना नहीं Ellie is smiling and nodding her head. ହେଲା होची करे nodding माने हां भरिबा right and Jew finally breathed in Jew address पाई जाईची बोली ताको ଟିକେ शांति लागिला breathed in right for the first time the unfamiliar but delicious scent of new clothes no breathed in माने कौन नेला से breathed in से कौन ता से Jew finally breathed in कौन breathed in नेला कौन से निश्वास नेला कौन नेला the delicious scent of new clothes तो new clothes रा आउ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଆସିयो केटा को पिन्दिना यूज करना हमने उडा अबागिया लागिवो न्यू ड्रेस से टिके भल आसो सेटा से फर्स्ट टाइम नेला ये जू अदरवाइज सब बेले फर्स्ट टाइम यूज करतला नोटबुक दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम शी यूज्ड द ड्रेसेस understood only when she came to high school to class 8